Everyone, I'm Carol. I decided to go with the Resistance in a Wire lab simulation. And I like this one because I think it really helps you see the real difference between resistivity and resistance. So this lab is set up in a way where you have the equation here, and that's going to change the more you mess with the sliders on here. Here's the wire that will also change. The little black dots are little electrons. This is the default setting, your reset button for if you want to mess with that all over again. And then for the actual sliders, so you get to increase or decrease the value and get to see how that affects the resistance on the left side. So it'll grow or shrink accordingly. So that was with the resistivity, for the length. And as you can see, both resistivity and length are directly proportional to resistance because it's on the numerator part of the fraction. And area is inversely proportional. And you can see it how it changes down there. The smaller the area gets, of course, the more the resistance is going to increase. And the bigger it is, the smaller it's going to be. And I think the best way to think about that is like a freeway. So if there's more space, more lanes for people to use, or in this case, the electrons to use, of course, they're going to be able to get by a little bit quicker with less resistance. The length, the longer they have to travel, the more resistance they're going to meet along the way. And resistivity is just, the inherent resistivity of the material that you're working with. Basically, like how you know if something is a good or bad conductor. I really like that this lab actually lets you play with it a lot. I like the little visual thing. It's really simple, especially with the little noise. But I think it really gets the point across, and it really lets you understand the concept. At least it did for me. Yeah, that's about it. I mean, this is a really simple lab, which I think is good because there's not much to mess with, and it's really obvious how everything you do influences the actual equation for resistance. So it's simple, it's easy to use, very user-friendly, and I think it really gets the concept across.